morning children, welcome to your maths class. Today we will do exercise 1.1 question number 6. Okay, so first we will write the question. Now write the question number 6. There are how many men? Okay, this many men. Then there are women. Then and 8, 7, 3, 2, 9. These are 8, 7, 3 to 9 children in a village. Okay. Then what does the question says further? Write these numbers in words. Okay. Write these numbers in words. Now read the question, children. What is the question? There are this many numbers men and here this number women. So this is the digit. Okay. This much men are there and then this much women are there and this much children are there in a village. Okay. So there are this amount of men, this amount of women and then this amount of children were in a village. Okay. So what is the question asking you all to do? That write these numbers in words. Now you have to write all these numbers in words. Now how will you do again, children? What we'll do, we'll straight up put comma. So we know which period does it belong to. Now you know the first period is 3 digits. That is units period. Then you know the second digit is of thousand. It also has 2 digits. Then you put comma after 2 digits. Then what will you do? Then there's 2. Then there's no number. We'll stop here. Okay. Then look here again the 3 digit one. Then the 2 digit. The units period. The thousand period and the lakhs period. Then look here again. We'll put comma here. The unit and the thousand period. Now just try on reading. 35 lakhs, 8,172. Then read 20 lakhs, 39,051. Then you read 87,322. Now how will you write the numbers? Now read the question again. There are 35 lakhs, 8,172 men. Then there are 20 lakhs. 39,051 women and 87,329 children in a village. Okay. Now you have to write these numbers in words. Now can you write this? Yes. Very good. Now what we'll do, I'll erase this board. I'll give you 2 minutes. Just copy down this question and then we will write the answers. Okay. Very good. Right. So I hope you will be able to write this. What will you do? You straight up write 35 lakhs, 8,172 men and 20 lakhs, 39,051 women. Then you will write 87,329 children in a village. Okay? Very nice. Now I am going to erase this. I hope you have written this. So we can go to the question number 6. Now question number 7. Just read out the question number 7. Write in numbers. Write in figures the number given in the following sentence. Now what you have to do, you have to write in figures. Okay. The first question is, the population of a country is 75 lakh 7,049. So you have to write this in a number. Okay. So question number 7, this is A part. Okay. So what is the question? The population of a country. Let's write down the question first. The population of a country. Okay. The population of a country. What is the population of the country? 75 lakhs. 75 lakh, then 7,000 and 49. Okay. So what will be the answer? Read the question. The population of a country is 75 lakh 7,049. Now what you have to do, you have to write these figures, the words or the number words in figures. You have to write all these words in figures. Okay. So what will you do? First, see, look here, this is which period? Lakh period. So you will write all the place values first, then only you will put the digits. Okay. So write 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, and there is, you have to therefore 10 lakhs. Then there is 75 lakh, and you put here 75 lakh. Then there is 7,000. See, look here, there is 7,000. There are no 7/10,000. There are 7,000. Now see, 75, then there is 7,000. So you will not write in tens because you have only 7. So you will put in 7. Then there is no 100. See, can you find 100? No. So you will not write anything. You just put 0. Then there is 10, 4 tens, and there is 9 ones. Okay. So this is your digit. And straight up what will you do? You will start putting commas. So 75 lakh 7,049. This will be your answer. Okay. Again, what is the question? The population of a country is 75 lakh 7,049. You have to write these words in numbers, okay, in figures. So what will you do? You will first mention the place values so that you know where you have to put the numbers. Now see, I put 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now what is happening here? 75 lakh, I have put here 75 lakh. Then what will I do? 7,000 here in the 7,000 period. I will put 7 because I have no tens here. Then 100 also I have no hundreds. What will I do? I will put 0 there. Then there's 49. That means 4 tens and 9 ones. So here 4 tens and 9 ones. So this is your number. Okay. I hope you've written this. We will write the next question. Okay. So the next question is, just pause the video and write it. Okay. Now, the number of school going children. Now start writing question. The number of school going children in a country. school going children in a country is. Now what is the number? Look here, 5 lakh. Then the next is 39,000. $39,205. Okay, I'll write you 205. Now see, what is the question saying? The number of school-going children in a country is 5,39,205. Now what you have to do? You have to find the numbers or the words. Here are the number words, number names. 5,39,205. Now you have to convert this words into figures. Okay. So how will you do that? Again, you will put the place values. Then you will place the numbers below the place value, and then you will get the numbers. So again, you will start with the same method. The ones, okay, the tens, the hundred, the thousands, the 10,000, the lakh. Now we will stop for lakh because we have only 1 lakh. So again, the 5 lakhs I am writing below 5. Then there is 39,000, means 3 tens, 1,000 and 9,000. Okay. So 3, 9. Then you have 200. Your 200, no tens. Then 5. This is the number. You will put the comma after one period, that is unit period, and then after thousands period. The number is 5,39,205. Okay? Is it clear? Yes. Very nice. Now what will you do? You will write down this in your notebook. Now what will you do, children? You have written this. Now we will learn the question number. Now we will see the question number 8. Okay. Now read the question number 8. What is question number 8? Look at the pattern. Okay. So write look at the pattern. Now what is happening here? You have to look at the pattern and then write the next 3 numbers. Okay. And write the next 3 numbers. Okay. So what is, we'll write both the questions here, A and B. Okay. So the first is 5, 8. Sorry, this is 5, 3. Okay. So this is 5, 3, 5, 7, 0, 3. Then the next number is 5, 4, 5. 5, 4, 5, 7, 0, 6. Okay. Then the next number is 5, 5, 5, 7, 0, 6. Okay. Now the question number B is 1, 1, 2, 8, 5, 9, 6. Then 1, 3, 2, 8, 5, 9, 6. Yes. Then the next number is 1, 5, 2, 8, 5, 9, 6. Now write down this in your notebooks, everyone. Now look children, what you have to do, what does the question says here? The question says look at the pattern. Okay, you have to find the pattern, and then what you have to do here is and write the next three numbers. Now what you have to do here is you have to look the pattern in these numbers, and then you have to write the next three numbers what will come after these numbers. Okay, now see what will we do? We just first look at the units group. These are same? Yes? Yes. Then look at here the next two numbers. If you see the next two numbers, see here, now see the next two numbers. This is 55, this is 45, this is 35. Yes? But if you see, 5 is also common here. See, this 5703, 5703, 5703. Can you see? It is common in all three numbers. Yes? Can you see these numbers common here? Yes? Yes. Now look here. 53, 54, 55. What is happening here? We are adding 1 to the number. The last 4 digits are same, but if you see the first 2 digits are increasing by 1. Yes? So you can easily guess what will be the next 3 numbers. Am I right? So after 55 you will find 56. Again the numbers are same. 5703. Then again 56. Then 57. 5703. Then the next number will be after 57 there will be 58. 5703. Am I right? Again look here. How will you do? I will repeat it again. First you will see what is the common between all these numbers. Okay. So we found that 5703, 5703, 5703 is common in all 3 digits. Yes. Then if you see the first 2 digits, 53, 54, 55. Then we can easily guess the next 3 numbers. ये common ही होंगे हर जगह. Then we will just add 1. After 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay? Yes. Now similarly हम यहाँ पर भी देखेंगे क्या common हमें मिल रहा है. Look here. ये same है 8596. Yes. Yes. And if you see, the initial number is also not. Yes? Okay. See, 2 is also same. 2528596. Only the first 2 digit numbers you can see. Yes, these are odd numbers. Yes. See, 11, 13. You missed 12, that is even number. Then 13. Then you missed 14, which is again an even number. So see, odd, even, odd, even, odd. So again, so what will you skip? You will skip 16 because 16 is an even number. If you see, look here, these are odd numbers and they miss out the even numbers 12 and 14. So you will miss 16. Why? Because 16 is an even number. So next odd number is 17. So what will you write? 17, and then you will straight up write all the common numbers. Then after 17, 18 is an even. Then again 19. 2, 8, 5, 9, 6. Then after 19, 20. 20 is an even number. Then again 21, the odd number. Yes? Again, how will you make patterns? When it is being asked in the question, you will first see the common terms in all the numbers and then you will start making. For an example, if we see question number 8a, what will you see? See the common numbers 5703, 5703. Yes? Then if you see the first 2 digits, they are adding 1. After 53, 54, 55. So similarly, you can easily write 56, 57, 58. And then the common numbers you have to write again. Okay? Then come next. If you look here, the common numbers are 28596, 28596, 28596. Then if you see 11, 13 and 15, you know that 11, 13, 15 are odd numbers? Yes? Yes. Then what will we do? We'll skip the even numbers and then we'll write the odd numbers and then we'll make the number. Again, see, we skipped 16, then we wrote 17 and then we copied all the common digits. Then in similarly here also 19 and 21. So everyone write this. I hope you have written this. So I'll erase this and then we'll do the next question. Question number 9. Okay. So everyone start writing question number 9. Now what is happening in question number 9? In question number 9, Rohan was asked to write a number. Okay, what happened with Rohan? Now Rohan was asked to write a number. Now which number it was? The number was 5 lakh. Okay. 5 lakh. Then 7,000. 5 lakh 7,405. Okay. So the question is, Rohan was asked to write a number 5 lakh 7,405. Now what did he write? He wrote down. What did he write? He wrote 507040. Okay, so he was asked to write 5 lakh 7,405 and he wrote this number. Now the question is this correct? Okay, is this correct? If not, write the correct number. Now what is the question asking you all to do? Now रोहन को क्या कहा है? रोहन को एक नंबर लिखने के लिए कहा है. कौन सा नंबर कहा है उसे लिखने के लिए? तो उसको नंबर जो लिखने के लिए कहा है वो है 5,07,405 और उसने वो नंबर जो लिखा है नंबर फिगर्स में लिख दिया है ये 5070,405. ओके. नाउ इज दिस करेक्ट? यानी क्या ये क्वेश्चन करेक्ट? क्या जो रोहन ने जो लिखा है नंबर वो करेक्ट है? अगर वो करेक्ट नहीं, इफ नॉट राइट दी करेक्ट नंबर. अब हम क्या करेंगे? हम रोहन का नंबर चेक करेंगे कि ये 5,07,405 है या नहीं. तो सबसे पहले व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल राइट द नंबर व्हाट रोहन हैज रिटन हियर. सो 5070,405. ओके, ये नंबर रोहन ने लिखा हुआ है. यस. नाउ व्हाट विल वी डू? विल स्ट्रेट अप पुट द प्लेस वैल्यू सो दैट वी कंप्लीट. So this is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. अब read the number. This is 50 lakh 70,405. So क्या नंबर हमारा 50 लाख है? क्या हमारा 70,000 है? Is this the number? If you put the commas here, this is 50 lakh 70,000. तो क्या हमारा नंबर 50 लाख है? No, it is 5 lakhs. क्या 70,000 है? No, it is 7,000. So this is right or wrong? Yes, very nice. This is wrong. So what will we do? We will write the answer. Now what will be the answer? Write your answer. The number written by Rohan is not correct. Yes? Yes. Therefore, the correct number is, now you have been asked the correct number. What will you do? This is 5 lakhs. You will write unit place up to lakh. Okay. Again, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Again, in place of 5 lakhs, you will put here 5. Then there is no 1000, no times 1000. So you will put 0. Then there are 7,000. You will put 7. And then look here, 405. There are 400, 0 tens and 5 ones. So this is your number. So what will you do? You will put the commas here straight up. So here, this is the correct number. 5 lakhs, 7,405. Okay? So write down this. Again, what was the question asked here? The question was, Rohan was asked to write down a number. The number was 5,07,405. He wrote down this number. And you have been asked in the question that is this number is correct or no. So how did you do that? You had put the commas here. Then you saw this is the lakh. That means this is 50 lakhs, 70,000. But there is no 50 lakhs in the question. So the answer, the number written by Rohan is wrong. Therefore, the number written by Rohan is not correct. The correct number is, then you have written the correct number by putting the number in the place name. So I hope you have written this. Now we will do the next question. Now what is the next question here? Question number 10. Now you have to, what you have to do here? Put commas. Okay? What you have to do? You have to put commas in appropriate places so that you can separate the periods. Now you have to put commas to separate the periods. Okay? So put commas to separate the periods. Now the question is, there are 4 questions here. A 250. Then there is 9832. Then there is B. B is 36. No, this is 7526 094. Okay? So I am writing here. Then there is C. Question number C is 361 28. Then 979. Then there is D. Question number D is 182. Then there is 4579. 4579. These are the questions for question number 10. Now what you have to do, you have to straight up put the comma. So what will you do? You will write the numbers here. Then you know the first comma after Unit period, very good. So after 3 digits, what will you do? You will put up straight up 1 comma. Then you know the second comma will be after the thousands period. Okay, so 1000 has 2 digits. Again, here, read the number 25,09,832. Again, look here, what will you do here? Again, you will write the number below. Then you know the first comma is after unit period, that is after 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Then the second comma after 1000, 1000 has 2 digits. Again 1, 2. So 75,26,094. Similarly, again here you will just write down the number 36128979 after the units, then the thousand period, the lakh period, then the crore period. So 3 crore 61 lakh 28,979. Again you will straight up write this number. Then again you will put the commas after unit, after thousands period, and after lakhs period. So this is crore period, lakh period, thousand period, and the units period. So 1 crore 82 lakhs 45,793. Write down this. Now the last question of exercise 1.1. The question is, write in the ascending order the numbers between. Okay, so I am erasing this. Question number 11. Write in ascending order. All the numbers that are in between. You have to write all the numbers. Okay. So now what is happening here? The A is this 8, 7, 0. 506 and 870 520. This is 8. Then you find the B. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So how will you write? First straight up put the commas. Look here. This is 8,70,506, 8,70,510. So you ignore this 8,70,000 and 506. So what will you do? उसके बाद number क्या आता है? 8705607. Yes, ascending order means it's increasing order. So again 870,508. Then again 8,70,509. And then you got the 10. You have to write the numbers in between in ascending order. Similarly, here also put the comma so that you can read the number. Okay. So look here. This is after 1 digit, 2 digits. So 11,12,345. Again put the commas. 11,12,348. So 11,12,346 after 45, 46. Then again 11,12,347. And then you have 48. So these are the numbers in between. I hope you have understood this, and if you have any problem you will ask me in the class. So we finished your exercise 1.1 of large numbers. Okay. Thank you everyone. This is